Hey guys, today we have this 2008 Honda Pilot. We're going to be replacing the air filter for the airbox and this intake booth. And this is just a cheap Amazon brand, and this one is the Bosch brand. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, let's get started with these. The reason why I'm replacing this because this intake booth has a crack on it. You can see that's a crack, and that'll cause an air leak. And no, I'm not supposed to be using an aftermarket cheap one, but this is what I have. It might fit, it might not fit, we'll see, because the location for these this one here is not perfectly aligned, and this is a little bit longer, so you can see, but we'll see if it fit it perfectly. And we got a Bosch filter. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the filter. This is size 8. Remove that. There's a couple of them here too. There's third one on the back side, maybe 2 more on the back side. Right here. I think that should be the last one. I think there's one more here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and then I'm gonna get this map sensor. I think, no, this is the throttle body sensor. So we're gonna get that, and then let's go ahead and remove these 8. This is 10mm. Remove that, and then get this clamp out. This filter is pretty, not too bad. It's a bit dirty. I'm gonna go ahead, might as well replace that. As you can see, if you look at here, they'll have it says up, that goes up. So we just put it there, put this back in. So it has 4 8mm bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I accidentally removed this one, put it back. This is size 10. Put this back. You don't need to remove these. It's 10. So this one will go back in there. I will need to remove that later. But this one is already out. So we have to remove these, the one on top and the one on the bottom. There's some of them you can delete them, but this one comes with it. So let's go ahead and swap it out. So that's a 10mm bolt, same thing as that one. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, the one on top, same the one on the bottom. Just twist this, put it inside, twist this as well, and that's out. And this one, if you look at here, that goes towards the car. So this is the bottom side. We're just gonna push a little bit there. Oh, shoot. Be careful. We're gonna push this in there. It might be a little bit tight. So 8mm. I'm gonna open that up just a tad bit. This is 7. I'll go back. Okay, so this is a 7mm, the brand new one. So let's see if it'll fit perfectly. A lot of comments said it's pretty tight. It is tight, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna open that up just a little bit. This is 7. Use that out. So once that's in, that's fine. All the way. Alright. Until those notches touch each other. Might be able to open it up some more. It is pretty tight. So it's going in. So that's in. That's not bad. So I can tighten this up by hand for now. Then I'm gonna get the top one. I'm gonna go ahead and lose this just for a little bit. And then this one goes on top. Hopefully this should close easier than the other one. It is tight. So use that some more. Alright. I think it's going in. Okay. I think that's better. Not too bad. It goes in. Try to push some more. Be careful that you push too much, you might crack it. Even if it's brand new, you might crack it again. So this is Amazon brand. I know a lot of y'all don't want to put an Amazon brand in it, but it is what it is for me. So, and this is the old one. You can see with the old one has a crack in here. So now fitting it, we're gonna take the old clamp here. Take this old clamp here. Hope that fits perfectly with for the brand new intake booth that we have. This one we just like. There you go. Oh, can't even see that. There's a little hook that goes there. So let's go ahead, install that, bend it first. I'd like to bend it first, then hook it. Let's see if I can hook it. In one try. I did. Don't pinch your finger. That's in. That's in. Okay. Alright, that's in. That's gonna be tight. How are we gonna put it? I will put this first here. Install that yet. Tight. So I got that in. So I got that in. As long as you have that notch here, that's a line, and the bottom. And the next part is this in throttle body, which we have that line there. I might do some this for, so it's gotta get 7. And then let's see if we go in. It is pretty tight. That's the way it's made. So, make sure the bottom is in. Make sure that it's really aligned. Alright, so did a little bit different here. I used the original clamp here, because this is wider than the one that comes with the brand new one. This is thin, so I tied this one. Twist it just a little bit towards the back, because this pipe here is not straight down here and it's not going in perfectly, so a little bit twisted that way. I don't see any leak hole. Kind of overlap a little bit here, so this fits perfectly. I'm gonna retighten that just a little bit, and now I'm putting back all these box here. So tight that one, and it looks fine. It looks okay, and time will tell. This one just have a little bit crack here, and that could cause some running rich or running lean on the system. But I could keep this one. I could have used there if you want to. It will be better if you use this better than the one that came with it. So that's it, guys. Replace the intake booth for this 2008 Honda Pilot, and that's an aftermarket Amazon brand, so it's gonna be China brand. But this one, I use a Bosch air filter. Alright guys, hope you like it. Till the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.